I just love this line. The breeze at dawn has secrets to tell you. Don't go back to sleep. You must ask for what you really want. Don't go back to sleep. Hi friends, welcome back. Or if you're watching my video for the first time, hi friends, I'm Vishali and welcome back to Healthwas. I really believe that mornings are magical. They are the best part of the day. They are filled with the fragrance of freshness, mist and a lot of positivity. Aren't they supposed to be beautiful? When you're waking up with a huge smile on your face and you're inhaling all the positivity and goodness from the environment. But on the contrary, mornings are hard for some people because they have to wake up from a good or not so good sleep. Or maybe because they don't have a purpose or a why to wake up early. So in this video, I'm going to share some of the approaches which helped me to become a morning person and which helped me to fall in love with the magic of morning, fall in love with the magic of dawn. First of all, you should have a why to wake up early, a reason to wake up early, a reason powerful enough to make you sleep early as well. For me, it is looking after my health. I have a lot of things to do in the morning. I have to do oil pulling and then I have to go to fitness classes as well. So you just have to find out your why because of which you are going to wake up early. Next, I actually found alarm very annoying. The loud and the annoying music, I hated it. And when you hate the alarm, you love that snooze button. So I had to change my alarm. I changed the ringtone of my alarm from the loud or annoying tune to a very calm or soothing music. I regularly change that music. Sometimes it is just a piano tune, sometimes it is the tune of flute, or sometimes it's just the sound of birds chirping. And yes, I love waking up to that. If hitting that snooze button is your thing too, then I have a good approach for you. Whenever your alarm rings, you just don't need to switch it off. Let it play in the background and just sit at your place. Do a little bit of stretching. And when you feel like waking up, when you feel like standing up, switch off the alarm and stand up. You will feel actually better because of waking up to such a good music. So the next thing which I do after waking up is I just get some hot water for myself and I just go to the balcony because I love watching the dawn sky. And there I practice an exercise 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It is a beautiful exercise and it makes you aware about yourself. So I'll tell you how it is practiced. You have to observe 5 things which you can see around yourself. Only 5 things. For example, I see the sky, I see the stars, I see the street light, I see my glass of water, and I see the street dogs. Next, you have to observe any 4 things which you are feeling at that point. For example, I feel the touch of cold breeze on my face, I feel the touch of sleeves on my arms, I feel the touch of hair on my neck, and I feel my feet touching the ground. Next, you have to observe any 3 sounds which you can hear at that point. For example, I hear the sound of night or silence, I hear the sound of street dogs barking, or I hear the sound of gulping water. Next, you have to observe smell of any 2 things which you can sense at that point. For example, I sense the smell of breeze or I sense the smell of green plants which are around me. Next, you just have to observe the taste which is in your mouth. This exercise actually helps me be aware of the present moment. So the next thing in my routine which is followed by this is oil pulling. Some people actually find it hard to take time out for oil pulling and maybe this is true for them. But how I manage my time is that I do all those different works which I have to do at the same time. For example, if I have to go to my fitness classes, I just get ready for that along with doing oil pulling. So this way I don't feel like I'm wasting my time. So when I'm done with everything and I'm ready, what I usually do is I set the ambience of my room. I love to feel mornings from the bottom of my heart. I open the windows and I let the cool breeze come inside my room. I light up the incense stick. I light up a beautiful lamp which is in my room. I just sit down. I just sit down quietly. And when I'm quiet, I just say 5 affirmations to myself. First, I will love myself. I will love myself profoundly. Second, today I'm going to give my best. I'm going to do everything from the bottom of my heart. Third, today I'm going to take care of my health. I'm going to take a good diet which is nourishing my mind and my body as well. Fourth, I will try to spread smile as much as possible. because smiles are contagious. Fifth, I'm just gonna inhale all the positivity in the environment and I'm gonna exhale all the negativity inside me. You know, these affirmations just kickstart my day. And honestly, it just takes 5 to 10 minutes. And I believe that anybody can take out this much time for themselves. So one last thing which I believe is very important and I would like to talk about is that your morning or your day actually depends on the planning which you did on the previous day. For example, I'll decide a day before what I have to wear the next day. And if it is about breakfast, I pre-plan for my breakfast a day before. And if the breakfast requires efforts, I'll do that efforts the previous day itself. It actually makes my mornings hassle-free and saves me from the unnecessary tensions and complexity of the morning. And therefore, I love my mornings. So friends, that's it for today. And I really hope that all these approaches help you to form your own morning routine and help you to become a morning person. If you like this video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up and please subscribe our channel if you haven't done this yet.